Hey guys, welcome back to Mom Likely. Today I'm just going to share with you guys pretty much an extremely lazy day for me. It was my day off and I just still needed to get things done around here. The house wasn't really hit that bad, but I just needed to get it cleaned up, and as you can see I have all that laundry over there I've been neglecting for around 3 days now, but I still didn't get to that in this video. So you guys always want to see just quick little snippets of how I would clean when I'm not doing disaster cleanings, and so that's what today is. It's pretty much a power hour, except it probably took me a little bit longer than an hour with everything. Yeah, so I just chilled out all day and just got this main living areas cleaned up. Doing in here?
Mom, come look at my car.
What do you got? Ooh, a pretty pink car, huh?
It's black and pink.
Nice.
And the backup is
You guys are just hanging out?
Watch. No.
I have a haul right there of that we did from the Value World. We got 50% off. I'm going to show that with you guys too.
Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. Cause I think I like you. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration. Cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me.
Okay, thanks for tuning in with me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing quick power hour, and let me know what you think of this type of video down below as far as like the music choices and like, you know, just the whole vibe. So I will see you guys later. I'm pretty sure next I'm going to be uploading my Dollar Tree haul. A few of you asked for that, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like